There's another one. That heifer there was born this morning, or well, not this morning. It was a little afternoon. So that's Tammy's calf. So Tammy's out eating. Camel's the last one up in here. Maybe let's go down and go through the young stock again. Check everybody over. Ain't too worried about them right now. I do have a decent bed pack outside. And we're pretty mild here next couple days, so. But yeah, figured I'd show another baby. It's old Doc Martin's wife likes looking at babies, so this one's for you, Penny. We're not up and running around too much, but looks like we're pretty comfy sitting there. So, right, I am. Let the 44 warm up here, so. Okay, they'll be like a video. See, I got some fixing to do, so. Oh well, do something. Oh, gotta give you ether, huh? It's after milking here tonight. It's around, oh, what time is it? Yeah, 11:24. That's their milk temperature. So got that right at the top today. So all right. Well, I got to do some welding in here and then in the milking parlor, and I gotta do this quick here. The washer's gonna kick in, so you won't be hearing me talking. So I'm gonna use a little tripod action so you guys can kind of watch me. So do that quick. I got my welder leads and the old Lincoln here buzz box. Big shout out to Rick Bork for that mint tripod that he let me have. He forgot it here and said, "Fuck it, you can keep it." So thanks, Rick. If you guys don't know Rick Bork, I'll put a link down below, right down below here. There's that little arrow if you're watching on a cell phone, and then tap that little arrow right below the picture, and then go check this channel out. Live streams Wednesday nights, 8 o'clock, 8 to 10. Have a couple cold snacks, and talk about everything besides politics and coronavirus. It's a good time. So. I go there every night, but I go there the end of it because I'm still doing chores. So, all right, now for jibber jabber. I'll set you guys up here in a little bit. I'll probably show you what I have to weld. I'll bring you back. Right. And the washer's going to turn on. All right. See, it's been welded before. That's the, I'll back you up here again. Front gate goes out like this, and then the cows walk out. Eventually, someday, I'm going to get all that working up there because that's supposed to reel. When the cows come in, they all come at an angle, and then that's like a locking mechanism right there. The cylinder back there, you can kind of see it. It lifts up, and then it reels. The cows go up. Both sides have to be worked on. One of these days, I gotta get it going. You can milk a lot faster when you got that going. For right now, how we're milking is we're letting the cows just walk out around the front. But these gates in front take a lot of abuse. The cows are always constantly slamming and pushing, and you also have heifers. It's got this locking joint in here that locks the gate. We've had heifers blow right through them gates. I don't know, even, you know, they get there. Some heifers are goofy, but I'm gonna weld that up. I'm just gonna lay a couple more beads on there, and I know I should probably fix it better, but whatever. That side's been broke too. These are actually not original gates, they're newer gates. Sorry if it's too noisy, wash is running. And then up there, I'll show you here. I'll climb up there quick. This is your pivot point for your locking arm, for your cylinder, for your gate. This pin comes and it's welded on the frame up here. And hang on, I'm swinging around here. I did not weld this last time, but it doesn't matter. It just, this pin takes a lot of abuse too, but I gotta get this sitting back in there. And weld it back up real good again, so at least as good as I can. I've actually, this one I haven't, I don't think. No, I think this is the original pin. So this original pin is from 1993. All right. Probably gonna get too long with this video, so forget what I said in the first part. All right. Well, I got the welder leads strung down here. So that's nice about arc welders. You can string your leads around, and I'll head up here, and Mr. Tripod here can hold you guys there, and watch me weld that up quick. Regular tack and the hole is now it's going to get shut. Nope. Hammer. I'll be right back. Now I ordered a pair of rods using this 6011, so 6011s are good for this kind of stuff. Galvanized, rusty. slag still on there. She ain't pretty. Not at all, but I guarantee it'll hold. For a little while, what I did on the last gates is I put a piece of strap. I wrap it around there, which I don't have. I need 1-inch strap. I don't have any right now. Then I can bend it around, so it gives it more strength. And then I probably should put a gusset in there or something. Give a little more strength, so unless you run out of storage room, my phone's buzzing, so I'll yeah, it's good enough. It's not impressive at all, but I don't care. You're the guys the only ones gonna look at, and the people who are milking in here, that's which is me and the wife and the couple part-time hired help we got, so I don't care. I'll weld that up over there and then I'll just show you when I'm done. So just remember, I gotta weld this up too. This is where it rotates on. It's big nylon bushing, so she's cracked all the way around, so I'm gonna buzz that quick since I remembered to do that. And I'm in here with the welder. That's been cracked for some time, so yeah. So I'll show you that too when I get done welding it. It'll look like shit, I guarantee you. Well, considering how rusty and crusty that is, that's good enough for me. She's welding. All right, on to that pivot pin over there. So I gotta put a new bolt in up there too, so yeah, always something to fix. All right, this one's none whatsoever impressive, but oh, poor ladybug died. She's stuck now, so what I'll have to do here when I put a new pin in there is I'll have to cut that out. I'll just take I've done it before on the other side over there, so just cut the cutting wheel on your angle grinder, just shave it right down, and put a piece of plate behind there to cover up that hole, because they've both done this multiple times. So then put a plate around there, butt it up to that, then weld that pin to the plate and the plate to the square tubing. All right. Oh, I love welding galvanized. Oh yeah. It's smoky in here. All right, well, it's all gonna have to be redone someday. It's called age, everybody. When you start to get older, everything starts to wear out and sag. Trust me, I'm starting to find out. All right. Wrap my crap up here. Bring the welder back in the shop. Probably bring it back and get in there. You see, I'm gonna see my minutes. I got it's probably enough for a whole video. So we got the cart back in here. Focus, you POS. It's kind of handy little cart we got it on. You just drag it around the farm where you need it, so it works. So I guess we'll call this in a video. And that has not gotten anywhere, so anybody's wondering. My mechanic, for some mysterious reason, forgot where I live. He only lives a mile that way, but I haven't seen him in months. So, and Tyler's working on his lawnmower, and one of these days we're gonna get the shop cleaned up. I don't know when that's gonna be, but it is what it is. So, okay, thanks for watching. It's calling her a day, I think. So, been a long day. She's getting muddy. Tomorrow she's gonna be 60 degrees. I don't even know what that is for you guys in Celsius. Must be, I'm thinking 18. I don't know. I ain't looking it up right now. So. But thanks for watching, and remember to go subscribe to Rick Bort. Check his channel out. He's got a good channel there. Good friend of mine. He did some butchering for me. He's down this weekend. I wish we could have made a little video of that, but he's going to come back in another 2 weeks, so maybe we'll have a live in 2 weeks. I don't know. We'll see what happens, but thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.